If you want to take company secretary course without CS entrance test, this video will help you. We will learn how you can get direct entry to the CS executive program and become a company secretary and a proud member of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. So, very recently, the ICSI has given a wonderful notification, and here they're talking about exemption for the students and they can take direct CS executive. So, the Council of the Institute has told out granting exemption for the following category of students so that they can take direct registration in CS executive program. So, who can take direct registration? Not everyone. Graduates who has got 50% marks in any discipline, that is science, commerce or arts. So any graduates, BCom, BSc, anyone who got 50% in their degree level. Then postgraduates, that is basically master degree, whether they've done MCom, MBA, even they don't have to write the CSCET. So what they have to do to get the exemption, they have to make sure that they have to pay a certain exemption fees. So once they pay the exemption fees, they can directly go for CS executive and not write the CSEET. Revised admission criteria will be applicable from June 20th, 2021. So what are they saying here? Very simple. 20th June 2021 onwards, we are going to be having any person who is holding BCom, BBA, BA, BSc, any discipline, art, science, commerce, if they are a degree holder, they can directly go for CS executive. They need to get 50% in their degree. They can go for direct entry to CS executive. They don't have to write the CS entrance test, CS executive entrance test. That same thing applies to MCom, MBA, MA, any master degree holder, postgraduate. So anyone who is a postgraduate, even that person can directly go for direct entry into CS executive. CS EET is not required. Now, why has the ICSI given this direction? See, in 2020, they told that every student should take CS executive entrance test. So, ICSI told every student, whether they're 12th standard pass, whether they're degree passed, whether they're post degree, that is postgraduate, anyone who comes to CS has to take CS entrance test. They told in 2020. In 2021, why has ICSI made this change? Why has ICSI given this direct entry? One is to save the time of the degree holders and the postgraduate degree holders. They don't have to again write CS entrance test, and students for not getting enrolled, especially students who finished BCom, student who finished MCom or BBA, any course, they said that why we should write CSEET, we already finished degree, and earlier ICSI used to allow for direct entry scheme. So because of this, the admissions became less, and that is why ICSI said to increase the number of students to take the CS profession, because in the job market there is a very high demand for the company secretaries and the skills which a company secretary brings to a corporate. So the high demand is there, but not enough students were taking because of this problem of CS executive entrance test, which was compulsory for everyone, BCom, BBA, MCom holder. So obviously those students will tell, why should we take again entrance test? Of course, entrance test is a very good course, but however, it is not required. So now, you or any of your friends, if you want to start CS course, how do you start? So please tell everyone you know, please forward this video to them. If you want to take CSET course, who can take? You have to pass 10th standard. You get provisional registration. You can't directly write. After 12th standard, you can write CSET. So you can register after 10th. Okay. And you can write CSET after 12th. So you can register after 10th or after 12th, anything. But after 10th, if you register, you can write only after 12th. CSET is conducted 4 times every year, and it is a online based exam. Or anyone who is pursuing degree, that is anyone who is studying BCom, BBA, BA, BSc, they may be in the first year, they may be in the second year, they may be in the third year. So I would highly recommend, especially students who have passed 10th standard, 12th standard or pursuing degree, don't wait to pass degree. My personal suggestion is don't wait to pass degree, that is very late, because If you start CS EET after 12th or in your first year, second year or third year of BCom or BBA or any degree, then you can complete CS executive and even professional at a very, very young age. But what if you tell we did not know about CS? So somebody has already passed degree, they can't go back in time, correct? They can't go back in time. So if you have already passed degree, you're a degree holder, you're a graduate, then if you have 50% marks, then you have to take the CS executive directly, and postgraduates can also take CS executive directly. Now the question is, suppose somebody says I am a degree holder, I want to take CSET, can you take? Yes, you can take, but when the ICSI is telling you you can take direct entry, why will you want to take? So if you have already completed degree, BCom, BBA or any degree level or master degree, go for direct entry. If you want, you can write CSET, but there's no requirement. If it's not mandatory, why do you want to simply write? You can directly start studying for CS executive program. So if you want to know more and if you want any help for your CSEET or any assistance, it could be videos, it could be coaching, it could be any sort of help which will make you a company secretary, you can get in touch with our Excel Academy. You can see the numbers on the screen: 7406077406 or 97397333400. You can WhatsApp us on these numbers. We will be happy to help you. Or you can directly go to our website. You can go to our website and you can get all the information about CSEET and CS executive program. So the answer is very simple now. Anyone who wants to start CS course, CSEET is for 10th standard, 12th standard or pursuing degree, please go for CSEET. If you passed BCom, BBA or any master degree, please go for CS executive directly. You have been given the permission by ICSI for direct entry. So the granting of exemption to graduates and postgraduates from the recognized universities to appear for CSET, enabling them to take direct admission. So when ICSI themselves have given you direct admission, if you have passed degree, please go for it. But every other student to become a member of ICSI, especially the ones who have passed 12th or you are pursuing degree, don't wait for completing degree. Directly you take the CSEET program as mentioned. So this is how you can start. So I really wish you the very best. Make sure that everyone is aware of this latest development and latest notification by ICSI. So anyone who registers from 20th June 2021 onwards to the CS course, they can take CS executive directly if they have completed degree with 50%. All the best to you, and do spread this video to everyone. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and let everyone know about this, because BCom holders, they need not worry now, they can directly take CS course. All the best to you.